recording again and bring that back, and that's now recording a new file. So that file that I just made, the statistics part, I'm assuming that you want to have a look at the maths part now because there are only questions. All right. So given there's no more talk, I assume that you're all happy with that. Come on, people, you have to speak up if you want me to do something different. Okay, so for our practice exams, we're looking at the maths. And let's have a go at the practice maths. What's this look? Oh, lots of questions. You won't get this many questions. I've made it a bit easier. So I've broken this down into piecemeal parts for you so that it's quite straightforward. And just checking this now. So we're targeting 4. How do we get 4 to be a 0? Row 3. So it's got to be one of the row 3s. Whoops. So row 3. There's only one row 3 answer there. I'm not that generous. I seriously have to change it. Add 4 times. Add 4 times row 1, so minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, bingo, 0. Well done. Well done. Chen Wing. Okay. Identify the elementary row operations being formed to obtain the new row equivalent. Oops, it's the second target element. So that's that 0 up there. How do we get that 0 there? Okay, so in this case here it's row 2. Ah, there's a couple of row 2 now. Multiply row 2 by 2. Well, that's not going to cut it. Add 2 times row 1 to row. I think you might be right. Well done. All right, so we're just plotting our way through. If possible, A times B. If possible, A times B. So we've got to go row down column, row down column, row down column, and row down column, 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 and row down column, row down column, row down column, row down column. So we're going to get a big matrix, and it looks like 4, 6, so it looks like that one. So I'm going with that. Hopefully you are too. If possible, BA. BA. So we're going to go B, row down column, row down column. Okay, so it's going to be the sum of products. 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Is it row? No, it's B times A. It's row down column. Row down column. 4 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 4, 2. What do you think? What do you think? I love it. No, you're not going to do that. Why not? 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's just see what that's like. Yeah, 2, 3, 2, 1. And what's the other one? B times A. So 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1. I'm going to forget that. 2 minus 1 minus 2. So we got 2 minus 1 minus 2. Thank you. And see what that looks like. No. Ooh. So I'm going to grab a new Wolfie just to check this second one out. So I just want to grab this one. Control copy him. I just want to see what I've put in there. No, that's not right. So I'm going to do a column, new row, end the row, new row, end the row, new row, end the row, new row, end the row. I think that's correct now. That's it. So I'll grab that, control copy, come back here. Aha. Too bad I recorded that. I'll get shot. All right, let A and E be matrices for the following sizes: 2 by 1 and 1 by 2. Defined if the matrix can be E minus 2A. So can we multiply 2 by 1 by 2 by the number 2, and then 2 by 1 is 2 rows by 1 column. This is 1 row by 2 columns. 1 row by 2 columns. I think they're different sizes. So, it says to do that. So I'm going to grab that. I think they're different sizes because of the subtraction. So you can get away with a lot of... The multiplication by 2 doesn't change the size. It only changes the magnitude of the contents. So the two rows by 1 column, 2 rows by 1 column, doesn't get changed fundamentally just because you multiply the contents by 2. Okay, 2 rows by 1 column. The second one, 1 row by 2 columns. It's not a multiplication, it's a subtraction. So I think that's the correct answer. Oh, why? Oh, now it's asking for a bit of, if it's not defined. Now that question's not right because there's a bit missing. I didn't realise that. That E minus 2A is not there, which it should be. Okay, so they have different sizes. I might take that out. I know the question in the exam is correct. All right, so what about this one? How do we do this one? I'm going to change back over to I'm going to write this down first. Minus 2x1 minus 3x2 equals negative 1. 6x1 plus 6x2 equals 21. Just x2, right? Minus 3x2. Okay. So that's our starting point. It wants an augmented system. So let's do that. And it wants a solution. So let's do that. All right. So I'm going to steal the screen view. All right, so in this case here, what we're going to do is augment. So we've got minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 6, 1, 21. Very good. Now, I could divide by 2 and all that kind of thing, but I won't do that. I'll just target this one. So row 2 is going to become row 2 plus 3 lots of row 1. 6, 1, 21 plus 3 lots of minus 2, 3 lots of minus 3, 3 lots of minus 1. So 3 2s is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Tick. Minus 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Negative 3. 21 minus 3. 18. So we've got minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 0, minus 8, and 18. Okay, at this point we can do a solution by back substitution. So we've got minus 8 x2, this is our rebuild. Equals 18. So therefore x2, now is that right? Minus, just checking this one. 3 R1 is minus 2, R1 is minus 3. R1 is minus 1 for that one. So minus 9, 1 plus minus 9, minus 8, minus 3, 21 minus 3 is, I think that's okay, but I didn't expect this answer. Okay, so I want to make sure I haven't made a mistake. No, I did this last time, I think I've got a different number. So what's going on here? Have I written that down wrong? Yeah, I got 4 and minus 3 last time. That should be a 6, shouldn't it? Why is that not a 6? I better just check the question. Minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 6, 1. So minus 2, minus 3, 6, and 1. So x1 is 4, and x2 is minus 3, I'm certain of it. Oops. Let's have a look. The determinant. So minus 10 minus 4 on 2 is 4 on half 4 is 2. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. Okay, let's check that and see what's happened. Oh, there we go. I got the signs around the wrong way. Silly boy. Minus 12 is okay. Yeah. Minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. Alright, so what I want to do is quickly pull that back. And find the problem. let's have a quick look at this one. Let's see if we can't find our error. -2 to -3. 6 and 1 21. I don't think anything there is wrong. 6 plus 3 2s are 6 is 0. 1 minus 9 is -8. And 21 minus 3. So 2. Okay, I'll have to have a look at that. I don't know what's going on there. That's clearly a problem. All right, I'll have a look at that and see what I can come up with. I'll check that and I'll add something to the video. All right, guys, are there any other questions besides going through those? All right, so what I think I'll do is I'll call it there. Thanks for coming along. I'll post the videos, see if I can find out what happened with that one, and I'll post something with that as well. Yeah, I don't get 8 on 24. I don't think it's right. There's an error there. I'll check it. All right, guys, thanks very much for coming along. Good luck tomorrow. That should put you in good stead for tomorrow, so just one step at a time. All right, everyone. See you later. Thanks for coming in, and thanks for being online if you're online. All right, that's it. Thank you. That's it. We're done. Turn it off.